Hey, what's up everybody? Back again with another video here. Today I'm going to be go ahead and replacing the windshield wipers on my 2012 Ford Explorer Limited. They're actually pretty easy. I'm not changing them out because they're bad. They're not streaking. They're just what they're doing is they're giving me just like a loud vibration. So when I put them on, when they go up, they're giving me just a real hard friction on the windshield, and I really don't like that. So I'm just going to change them out. I want to go ahead and went to AutoZone, got the Bosch icons. This one's going to be replacing with on the passenger side is a 22OE on the passenger side. And on the driver's side, it's going to be the 26OE, of course, the Bosch icons. All right. And like I said, these are a little bit different, easy, but different. They're not your average J hook that most of the windshields come with. So on these, there's going to be a little slip right here. You're gonna pinch on both sides and just gonna raise. It pops out really easy. These ones are gonna go the same too. On the hook, there's a little hook inside. You're gonna press here and kind of fold. And then you just grip it and then just hear it snap. And you're set. Pretty easy, huh? And like I said, once again, I'm using the Bosch icons on these. Really good windshield wipers. Like I said, nothing was really wrong with them. I was just replacing them because of that ugly friction side. Yeah, thanks again. Guys, like it, like and share, please. See you next time.